Normally, what we know y equals to mx. It is an equation of a straight line which passes through the origin, right? Is it? It passes through the origin. Okay. If a point is given, suppose like this, suppose this point is given, x1, y1, a point is given, and its slope is m. Then what will be its equation? Y minus y1 is equal to, let me know, x minus, can you remember please? You were taught in class, 9 and 10, exercise 11.4. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Can you remember please? Now, okay, very good. What is m? M equals to what? M equals to dy by dx. M is here, the slope. Slope means what? Dy by dx. And we can tell it tan theta. Okay, I think you know it, right? You copy it. Now, if the point is given here, x naught, y naught. Please try to understand what I have written. X naught, comma, y naught. The point is given. X naught, comma, y naught. Now, what will be our equation? Can you please let me know? From here, we can write down y minus y naught for y1. It is m into x minus x naught. For x1, we have written x naught. Here the point was x1, y1. Now we have considered the point as by x naught and y naught. Please talk to me. Okay. So this is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Now we can write down, you see, y minus y naught is equal to, what is m? Dy by dx. It is x minus x naught. Okay, m is what? Dy by dx. But only one difference. Please pay attention. I have kept a space here to write down x naught, y naught. Dy by dx. Where dy by dx? Dy by dx at x naught, y naught. Please try to understand. If you fail to understand, please let me know. This is the equation of a tangent. This is the tangent. Have you got it? This is called the equation of a tangent. Actually nothing. What is to do? M means what? Dy by dx. It is the equation. You consider it as the equation. Okay. But in details, it is the formula. But in details, m equals to what? Dy by dx, that you know, that you have come to know by this time. And where? At the point x naught, comma y naught. Because there are two innumerable points are there, not everywhere. At the fixed point. And what is that point? That point is the point of intersection of the tangent and the curve y equals to fx. Okay. Now, don't be afraid of seeing the, formula. Now you see, suppose it is a tangent. Okay. It is a tangent. Can you let me know what is its equation? What is its equation? Can you please let me know? Y equals to b. Am I right? Is it? Talk to me. So it is parallel to x-axis. Write down. It is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Okay, what we can get from here, we get write down. If we go for finding the differentiation, y equals to b. So dy by dx with respect to x, dy by dx equals to 0. B is constant, so it is 0. Talk to me. Is it? Y
Sir,
equals to b. Have you got it or not?
no, sir.
Very good. Okay, differentiate y equals to b. Let me know. What will be the answer? You differentiate both the sides.
0.
Huh?
So 0.
So dy by dx equals
So
to 0.
0.
Is it okay? Okay, but
Sir, good.
if the equation is given like this, it is O, it is x equals to a, this is a, then it is 90 degree. So can you please let me know what will be here? That is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, let me know what will be here. You differentiate x, that is dx, dx by dy equals to 0. Now the question may be arisen, that how does it come, right? Is it, how does it come? It is dy by dx, it is dx by dy. Dear students, you see here dy by dx equals to what? Can you please let me know what is the result? Dy by dx equals to what? Tan 90 degree. I told you m equals to dy by dx, m equals to tan theta. M equals to dy by dx and m equals to tan theta. What is the angle here formed with x-axis? Talk to me. 90
Right.
degree. So 90 degree means what? Infinity. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That means what? 1 by 0. Okay. Now, if we inverse, then we'll get, you see, if we inverse, we'll get dx by dy equals to 0. Am I right? If we inverse, then we'll get dx by dy. Its inverse is what? 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 equals to what? 0. So we have got dx by dy equals to 0. Okay? You will just
Yes.
understand. You will understand. Please try to understand. This part is the most important part here. Dy by dx equals to 0. Always remember this. Dy by dx equals to 0 parallel to x-axis. Okay? And you will think parallel to x-axis means what? Y equals to b. So it will be dy by dx. Parallel to y-axis means what? X equals to a. So it will be dx by dy. Okay? You think you will find the difference? X dx by dy and dy by dx. Okay? Now, I told you that our chapter is tangent and normal. What is normal? This is the question. What is normal? Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Suppose this is the tangent. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. That means normal, tangent, and curve, they have intersected at the same point. Point of intersection. Normal, tangent, and the curve have the same point of intersection. So what is normal? Write down. Normal, write down. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of intersection. Right? Is it? Can you please let me know what would be the equation of the
Yes.
tangent? Sorry, what would be the equation of the normal? We know, suppose if it is f1, m1, if it is m1 and if it is m2, I mean their slopes are m1 and m2. So what is the formula? m1, m2 equals to what? Minus 1. During perpendiculars, I mean m1, m2 equals to minus 1. In class 9 and 10 you are taught. So from here we get m2 equals to minus 1 by m1. Actually, what is happening here, write down, you please write down equation of a normal formula. Same formula, y minus y naught equals to, let me know, minus 1 by m x minus x naught. For tangent, what was? For tangent it was y minus y naught m into, for tangent it was, talk to me. And you see for normal, we have because this and this, their product will make minus 1. Okay, let's see. M into minus 1 by m. Will be omitted equals to what? Minus 1. Have you got it? I mean, product of the slopes will be minus 1. Anyway, for tangent it is m and for normal it is minus 1 by m. Very good. We reduce this, y minus y naught is equal to, what is m? M equals to what? Dy by dx. Is it? Okay, but I can do the math in another way. You see, or m into y minus y naught minus x, this, or we can write down x minus x naught plus m into y minus y naught equals to 0. We can write here x minus x naught. What is m? M is dy by dx at the point x naught y naught into y minus y naught equals to 0. This is the equation of the normal. Please try to understand. But the basic formula is this. The basic formula is this. Have you got it? I have put the value of m equals to dy by dx, but at the point x naught y naught. Okay, dear students, you please don't be afraid of seeing the formula. The math is very easy and simple. Okay, you will come to know when we will have 2 or 3 maths done. Okay, let's do some maths from exercise 9.8. 9.8 question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent given y equals to x square minus x plus 1. What is the slope? Can you please find it? Slope means what? Dy by dx. So dy by dx equals to what? Let me know. 2x minus 1. Is it? Talk to me.
Ji, sir.
Okay, so I told you again and again, slope means m means dy by dx. Right? I am telling you. Therefore, at it is given x equals to 2. Slope at x equals to 2. Slope means what? Dy by dx, where the value of x is 2. So 2 into 2 minus 1. We have put the value of x as by 2 here. Our math is done. We have found the slope of the tangent. Have you got it? Suppose this is a curve. This is the tangent. It is m equals to what? Tan theta equals to 3. This is the formula. Okay. Now the second question, and every question is of that type or this type. Y is equal to 1 by 3x cube minus 5x plus 2. Find dy by dx. Be quick. What is dy by dx? Let me know.
X square minus 5.
X square minus 5. So it is told to find, write down, slope of the tangent at 0, 2. Can you please let me know what will be the answer? It is dy by dx is equal to 0, 2. Please, you see, in this way you have to write 0, 2. What is meant by this? 0, 2 means what? Value of x is 0 and value of y is 2. That is 0 square minus 5. 0 square minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Talk to me. Is it okay?
जी सर.
Slope of the normal at 0, 2. Who can answer? I told you it is minus 1 by m. Can you please remember? M means what? This is m. This is m. dy by dx equals to m. I told you again and again. So our answer will be what? Only 5. I'm sorry, only 1 by 5. Is it? Minus 5, it is minus 5. So minus 1 by minus 5. You see, minus 1
जी
by
सर.
minus 5 equals to 1 by 5. So our math is done. Question number 3. The curve x cube minus 3xy plus y cube equals to 3 is given. Okay, it passes through the point 2, 1. Find the slope of the tangent at the point. Okay, find out from here dy by dx. Always you have to find dy by dx. Can you please find out? Let me know. Dy by dx, 3x square, okay, minus 3x dy by dx y d by dx x plus 3 y square dy by dx equals to 0. Talk to me. Everywhere we get 3, 3, 3. So all 3 will be omitted. So we'll be left with x square minus x dy by dx plus, this is only y. Sorry, it is minus, minus plus minus, it is minus. And it is y square dy by dx is equal to 0. From here, you have to find dy by dx for dy by dx. Okay, we are getting y square minus x is equal to y minus x square. That means dy by dx is equal to y minus x square by y square minus x. Talk to me. Okay. Now, you please try to understand. You have to find, write down. Therefore, dy by dx, where? Dy by dx, where? It is given at the point 2, 1 equals to what? What is meant by this? Its meaning is the value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. So value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. You put the value y equals to 1. So 1 minus 2 square, y equals to 1. 1 square minus 2. Please let me know the result. 1 minus 4 minus 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Talk to me, all of you.
G, sir.
And here we are done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3-2. Given y is equal to x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3. What I told you at first, in this exercise, it is the all the maths are of tangent and normal. Whatever it is, we have to find always dy by dx. Okay, we have to find always dy by dx. Always we have to find. So okay, let's take finding dy by dx. What should we do? Y equals to x square minus 1, x minus 3, or y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Is it? Now, dy by dx equals to what? Let me know. 3x square minus 6x minus 1. Is it?
G, sir.
Okay. Suppose you mark it as by 1. Suppose it is equation 1. Now it is told in this question that this equation 1 intersects x-axis. Write down 1 intersects x-axis. Can you please let me know what is meant by this? Suppose it is a curve. Okay? Have you got me? This, it is O. This curve intersects x-axis. What is meant by this?
মানে y0.
You are absolutely right. That is y equals to 0. So if we put y equals to 0 in equation 1, then what we will get? Write down. Putting y equals to 0, y equals to 0 in 1, we get 0 equals to x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, right? That means we are getting x equals to minus 1, 1 and 3, right? Am I right? So
G, sir.
therefore, find, therefore, dy by dx at x equals to minus 1 equals to what? x equals to minus 1. That means you have to put the value of x equals to minus 1 here. And the okay, just wait. I'm going to show it in another way. You see, dy by dx minus 1 comma 0. I think you have got it. Here y equals to 0. You see, y equals to 0. Y is always 0 here. So minus 1 comma 0. Have you got me? Now please find it.
Yes.
X equals to minus 1. So we are getting 3 plus 6 minus 1, 8. Talk to me.
जी सर.
Now dy by dx, what is the value? Now go for 1, 1 comma 0. Put the value of x equals to 1. 3 minus 6 minus 1 equals to what? 3 minus 6 minus 1 equals to minus 4. Okay. Now find dy by dx at 3 comma 0. What is the result? Dy by dx at 3 comma 0. What is the result? 3 comma 0. 3 3 is a 9, 27 minus 18 minus 1 equals to what? 27 minus 19 equals to 8. So we have found the slope at the points minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Have you got it or not? This is the question.
अच्छा जी सर.
I think this is the easiest chapter in your life, right? Talk to me.
जी सर.
Okay, and all the maths are of this type, so I won't do all the maths. But if I see any different math, then now we are going to a math which are wholly and fully different. But I mean, type is same. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x. It is given. So what will you do? At first you will find dy by dx. You find it. What is the result? 3x square minus 3. Is it? Now you are told that tangents are parallel to x-axis. Given. It is given. Tangents or tangent are parallel to, what is meant by this? Parallel to x-axis means what? Parallel to x-axis means this.
Slope 0.
Am I right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
सर.
Is it? So what is the formula? If it is written just parallel to x-axis, then what is the formula?
dx by dy equals to.
You are wrong. You are wrong, Baba.
dy by
Parallel
dx
to-
equals
Equal to
to
0, sir.
Parallel to x-axis means what? It is y equals to b, right? So it is y. Okay. So what will you do? Therefore, dy by dx equals to 0. I told you that this formula is to be memorized. Can you remember? Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx equals to 0. Therefore, what is the value of dy by dx? Is 3x square minus 3 equals to 0. That means x equals to plus minus 1. We are done. Now, go to question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points on the curve. Okay. Y is equal to x minus 3 whole square into x minus 2. All of you are required to find dy by dx. Then I'll go to,
X plus 21.
actually, I think you have done like this.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
जी सर.
Then x cube minus 2x square minus 6x square 12x. Is it? You similarize with my own. Minus 8x square, then 21x. Is it? Actually, it is y, right? Then you have to find dy by dx equals to what? 3x square. Is it to you or I am wrong?
It's
I may be
okay,
wrong.
sir.
Really? How does it come? Parallel to x-axis. Is it possible to find the value of x from here? Hmm? Yes, it is possible. Parallel to x-axis, write down tangents are parallel to x-axis. Therefore, dy by dx equals to 0. What is meant by this? 3x square minus 16x plus 21 equals to 0. Can you factorize? 3x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 21 equals to, right? Equals to what? 3x, x minus 3 minus 7, x minus 3 is 0. So we are getting x equals to 3 and 7 by 3. Is it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to find the point of intersection. When x equals to 3, then what is y? Y equals to what? Y is equal to x minus 3 whole square into x minus 2. You put the value. X equals to 3. So we are getting y equals to, right? If we put x equals to 3, then we will get 0. Now, if we put x equals to 7 by 3, then y equals to x equals to 7 by 3 minus 3 whole square, 7 by 3. Please calculate it by yourself and let me know. 7 minus 9, 7 minus the minus 2, so 4 by 9 into 7 minus 6, 1 by 3, 4 by 27. So we are getting the point of intersection is 3, 0, point of intersection 3, 0 or 7 by 3, 4 by 27. You please see. You are absolutely right. Okay. Now go to question number 4.3. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Ji sir.
Number 4.3. Find the coordinates of the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Find dy by dx. Can you find dy by dx?
Yes, sir.
2x, then 2y, then dy by dx minus 2 equals to 0. Am I right? you omit all 2, x plus y dy by dx minus 1, 0. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x by y. Have you got it or not?
Yes, sir.
It is written tangents parallel to x-axis. Tangent parallel to, what is the formula? Let me know. dy by dx equals to 0. That means 1 minus x by y equals to 0. Then what is the result? Let me know. One minus x equals to 0. So value of x equals to 1. Okay. Now what will you do? You have to find the value of y. To find the value of y, you have to put the value of x equals to 1 here in this equation. Put it and get the result. Can you find it? X equals to 1. X equals to 1. That means 1 plus y square minus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. So y square equals to what? 4. So y equals to plus minus 2. Right? So we are getting the points of intersection as by 1, 2 and 1, minus 2. This is x equals to 1, y equals to 1, 2. Second time, y equals to minus 2. Talk to me.
বুঝাচ্ছি স্যার।
Now, the next question. Number 4. Y cube is equal to x square into 2a minus x. What I told you? I told you again and again to find dy by dx. Or we can write down y cube 2a x square minus, is it? Talk to me.
Yes.
জি স্যার।
So you carry on, you do it. dy by dx, you find it. What will be? Let me know. 3 y square dy by dx. Am I right? Is equal to 4ax minus 3x square, or dy by dx 4ax minus 3x square by 3y square. It is told that parallel to x-axis. That means what? Let me know. It is equal to, have you got it? Give the side note. Parallel to x-axis. Have you got it? That means, can you please let me know what will be your next step? It is 0 means what? 0 by 1, right? So we are getting 4ax minus 3x square is equal to 0. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Is it all? Okay. Now from this equation, you find out the value of x, or we are getting x 4a minus 3x equals to 0. That is x equals to 0 or x equals to 4a by 3, right? But you have to find the point of intersection where y is related. Now, y cube is equal to given x square into 2a minus x. This is y cube, right? You put x equals to 0, x equals to 0, so y equals to 0. Am I right? If x equals to 0, then it is 0. So everything is 0, so y equals to 0. Now you find y cube, it is 2ax square minus x cube. Now you put the value of x equals to 4a by 3 and find the value of y. It is your turn. Do it. Time 1 minute. Find the value of y. Can you or y cube equals to 2a, what is the value of x? 4a by 3 whole square minus 4a by 3 whole cube. That means y cube equals to 4 4s are 16 into 2, 32. 32a cube by 9 minus what? Huh?
64 a cube
64
by
a cube
9.
by
Sorry,
27.
27.
Now get the LCM. 27. So it is 96 a cube minus 64 a cube. So we are getting y cube equals to, calculate 32 a cube by 27. So y equals to what? 32. Root cube 32 a cube by 27, right? That means y equals to, it is 3, whole and full 3, it is a. Now root cube of 32 equals to what? 8 into 4. That means 2 root cube 4 into a. I think you have got it. 32 means 8 into 4. 32 means 8 into 4. So its root cube is root cube. Root cube of 8 is 2 and it is root cube 4. Okay. So actually we are done. So our points of contact are, it is 0, So we are getting 0, 0. It is x equals to 4a by 3, x equals to 4a by 3, and here y equals to 2 root cube 4a by 3. Okay, everybody talk to
जी
me.
सर.
Go to question number 5. Given coordinates x square plus 4y square equals to 8. Okay, find dy by dx. 2x plus, let me know, 8y dy by dx equals to 0. Is it? That means x plus 4y dy by dx equals to 0. That means 4y dy by dx equals to what? Minus x. That means dy by dx equals to minus xy. Okay? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
It is given perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to x-axis. What is meant by this? Parallel to
Y-axis.
y-axis. So what is the formula parallel to y-axis? dx by dy. What is the formula? Dx by dy equals to 0. But here dy by dx. So from this line, we can find, for this I have kept a space to write down. Dx by dy, write down. Dx by dy is equal to minus 4y by x. Talk to me. Therefore, we can write down dx by dy equals to 0. That means minus 4y by x equals to 0. From here, what should we write? Y equals to 0. We have got y equals to 0. Is it? If y equals to 0, from here we get x equals to what? Y equals to 0. That means x square plus 0 equals to 8. So x equals to plus minus 2 root 2. Right? So we are getting the points 2 root 2 comma 0 minus 2 root 2 comma 0. Talk to me. Everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
जी सर.
5 2 x square plus 2ax. Important math. Find dy by dx. 2x plus 2a plus 2y dy by dx equals to 0. Right? So we can omit all 2's. So x plus a plus 2y dy by dx equals to 0. That means dy by dx is equal to minus,
Two terms is
sorry, anything wrong?
y plus two terms.
Oh, this is 2, right? Okay, now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
It is also written perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to, what is meant by this? Parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means what? Dx by dy equals to 0, right? So you get it, when you get its inverse, that means minus y by x plus a 0. Have you got it? Its inverse has been written here. Okay? It is dx by dy, but it was dy by dx. So we are getting y equals to 0. If y equals to 0, we get x square plus 2ax equals to 0. So we are getting x equals to 0 and minus 2a. If we take x common, you will get it. So point of intersection will be 0, 0, minus 2a, 0. Have you got it or not? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now the most important math. Number 3. Y is given as by x square plus root over 1 minus x square. Now find dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to what? Let me know. 2x plus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Can you remember, please? All of you.
Yes, sir.
That means dy by dx 2x minus, is it? But it is not in the fraction form. It is the partial fraction. So you have to get the fraction form, that is root over 1 minus x square 2x root over 1 minus x square minus x. It is told the perpendicular to x-axis. What is meant by that? Perpendicular to x-axis means what? Perpendicular to x-axis means what? Let me know. Parallel to y-axis. That means we are getting dx by dy equals to 0. That is root over 1 minus x square by 2x root over minus x equals to 0. So we are getting 1 minus x square equals to 0, x equals to plus minus 1. If we get x equals to plus or minus 1, then we can find the value of y from here. When x equals to 1, we get y equals to 1. Okay. When x equals to minus 1, we get y equals to what? 1. So points of intersection 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Please try to get it. If we put x equals to 1, we'll get y equals, it will be omitted, okay? If we put x equals to minus 1, we'll get also this 0. Is it okay to all? Hello?
जी
Yes, sir.
सर
I'm not getting any response today. I don't know why. You have forgotten me.
স্যার আপনি আমাদের ভুলে গেছেন।
Are you sure?
হ্যাঁ
जी सर
It is y equals to x. Is it? Hello? It is y equals to minus x. Do you know this equation? If x equals to 1, y equals to 1. If x, this type of x equals to 1, y equals to 1. If x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. If x equals to, suppose, if it is put x, I mean, y equals to minus x equals to 1, y equals to minus 1. This type of, in this way. I mean, you remember this, it is y equals to x and this is y equals to minus x. You understand or not? Then I can show it. Talk to me, all of you. And it's together, it is written y equals to, okay, in 910, or sorry, or in your intermediate, your first practical is this, y equals to absolute value of x. Its equation is this, okay? Actually, what is meant by this? It is y equals to plus minus x. That means it is equal angle, 45, 45. Y equals to x means what? You see, y equals to x means what? Y by x equals to 1. So what is meant by y by x? Perpendicular by base. That means tan theta, right? Tan theta equals to 1. 1 means what? Tan 45 degree. So we are getting theta equals to 45 degree. When tangent makes equal angle with the x-axis, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. Okay? So actually, what we get from here? It is, suppose it is dy, it is plus minus dx. That means we can write down dy by dx equals to plus minus 1. That means when it makes equal angles, write down a formula. Equal angles with x-axis, formula dy by dx equals to plus minus 1. It is a formula. Now we are getting question number, important question number 6. Okay, write down. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So dy by dx equals to what? 3x square minus 6x minus 2. Okay. Then it is written tangents make equal angles. Write down. The tangents make equal angles with x-axis. Okay, therefore dy by dx plus minus 1. That means 3x square minus 6x minus 2 equals to plus minus 1. What will you do? Once you will take positive value. Secondly, you will take negative value. Hello. 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 Are you there?
হ্যাঁ
जी
স্যার
सर
So have you done it or not? What is the value of x? Actually, I'm not getting you. If you fail to do it, just let me know. Not a matter. We are getting 3x square minus 6x minus 2 equals to 1. That is 3x square minus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. That is x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So we are getting x equals to what? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. So x equals to 2 plus minus 2 root 2 by 2. So we are getting, x equals to 1 plus minus root 2. Okay. Again, here 3x square minus 6x minus 2 equals to minus 1. So 3x square minus 6x minus 1 equals to 0. So we are getting x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. Okay. That means x is equal to 6 plus minus, what should be written?
48. 4 root 3.
This is 48. 48 means what? 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 by 6. Okay. That means we are getting by 2. If we calculate by 2, then it is 3 plus minus 2 root 3 by 3. Right? From here, we can also write 1 plus minus 2 by root 3. So we have got the value of x. In this question, you are told find the abscissa. Abscissa means to find the value of x. So our answer is we have got the abscissa. Abscissa means we have to find the value of x. So our value of x is this and this. So we are done. Okay. So actually every math is different from others. So we will not skip, but we will skip when we will see the same math. Okay. Another math, question number 7, which is really very, very important. Write down. It is really very, very important. It is given y equals to ax into 1 minus x. What is to do? Nothing. You write down y equals to ax minus ax square. Right? Now dy by dx equals to what? A minus 2ax. Is it or not? Now it is told dy by dx equals to what? 0. That means a minus 2ax equals to 0. So we are getting what? Let me know. One minus 2x equals to 0. We are wrong somewhere else. At the origin, make an angle. Oh, at the origin. I'm sorry. At the origin, okay? I'm still sorry. So dy by dx at the origin, that means 0, 0 equals to what? A minus 2a into 0. It is equal to what? A. Is it? Is it okay? Now it is told that in the question it is given m equals to dy by dx, and it is given in the question m equals to tan theta, tan 60 degree. It is given in the question that m equals to tan 60 degree. It is given. That means dy by dx equals to what? Root over 3. Now, what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx is a. So we are getting a equals to root 3, and it is the answer, and math is done. In this question, we have to find the value of a that we have found. Talk to me.
জি স্যার বুঝেছি।
Now, in question number 8 and 9, we have the same question. There are too many questions, but all of them are same. So I am going to show you only two maths of same type. 8.1. Y is equal to x square minus x plus 1. You find dy by dx. It is now at the point x equals to 1 is equal to x equals to 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, so we have got dy by dx at x equals to 1. You have to write here at x equals to 1. We have got at x equals to 1, dy by dx equals to 1. Okay, now you have to find the equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent, what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent. Can you please let me know? Or who can tell me? What is the formula? Y minus y naught, then dy by dx. Let me know. At, I don't know what is at. Here, what is at? X naught, y naught. We have already got x naught equals to 1. So you find what is y. If x equals to 1, what is y? Y equals to what? 1. Talk to me. If x equals to 1, then y equals to what? 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1, right? So you have to write here 1, 1. Have you got it? But the formula is here, the formula is, you know, here the formula is x naught, comma, y naught. This is the formula. Okay, so you see, y minus y naught equals to what? 1. What is m? M equals to 1. What is x naught equals to what? 1. So we are getting y equals to x. This is the equation of the tangent. We have got the equation of the tangent. Now please let me know where you have failed to understand. Please. Here x naught y naught means 1, 1. If you don't understand, I can show you. This is 1, comma, this is 1. Okay. So now you will come to know y minus 1, x minus 1, and at the point 1, we get it is 1. M equals to 1. M equals to 1. This is M. Can you please let me know what is the equation of the normal? Who can tell me? Equation of the normal.
Y equals to minus x.
Actually, what will you do? You see, same thing. You just carry it. Y minus 1 is equal to, it will be minus 1 by 1. I mean minus 1 by m. Can you remember I told you? So here m equals to 1. So it will be minus 1 by m. Okay. So we are getting y minus 1 minus x plus 1. That is x plus y equals to 2. And it is our answer. Talk to me. All of you.
G sir.
Okay. At the very beginning, I discussed it. Okay, now I'm going to do another math, which is very, very important for you. But I don't know you will be able to do it or not. Question number 9, 2. You write down. Sorry, 9.3. Same math. Y x square minus y square equals to 7. Find dy by dx. Can you find it? 2x minus 2y dy by dx equals to 0, right? So we are getting x minus y dy by dx equals to 0. That is dy by dx equal to, let me know, x by y. That is dy by dx at the point 4 minus 3. 4 comma minus 3 equals to what? Let me know. Value of x is 4, value of y is minus 3. So minus 4 by 3. So what is the equation of the tangent? Let me know. Equation of the tangent. Y minus tangent. Write down equation of the tangent. Y minus y naught equals to m. M is what? Minus 4 by 3 equals to x minus x naught. Talk to me. Hello. Here, what is y naught? Here, y naught is what? Minus 3. So, y plus 3 minus 4 by 3 x minus 4. Talk to me. Is it okay? Hello, everybody. Y minus y1, the formula is, it is given 4 minus 3. And now you calculate it, you will get a standard equation. And for normal, what will you do? Same thing. Y plus 3, it will be its opposite. 3 by 4. Talk to me. You always think that product of these two will be minus 1. If we multiply these two, we will get minus 1. Is it? In the formula, it is minus 1 by m. So if it is m, so it's minus 1 by m is this. Now you'll get your answer. Have you got me or not? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to another math. Find the equation of the tangent normal of the point. Number 10. We are about to complete this exercise. Okay. Find the equation of the tangent and normal at the point y, x minus 2, x minus 3, then minus x plus 7 equals to 0. Same thing. Can you find dy by dx from here? What will you do? Y, x square minus 5x plus 6 minus x plus 7 equals to 0. Right? Now you just find out. It is y. It is 2x minus 5. It is x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. dy by dx. Okay. Minus 1. From here you will find dy by dx. Can you find it? From here you will find dy by dx. Then your math is done. Okay. It meets x-axis. It meets x-axis. That means y equals to 0. So here you put y equals to 0, then you'll find the value of x. X equals to 7. Y equals to 0 means what? X equals to 7, this part will be 0. Talk to me. Will I do or you will do? Can't you talk? Just let me know. What is dy by dx from here? 1 minus 2xy plus 5y by x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay? This is. Now here x equals to 7. If x equals to 7, if x equals to it meets x-axis, right? That means y equals to 0. Y equals to 0. Talk to me. So if y equals to 0, then x equals to 7. So we are getting the value, please talk to me, dy by dx 7, 0. 7, 0. Now you put x equals to 7, y equals to 0. X equals to 7, y equals to 0. So it is 1, y0, y0. X equals to 7. 7, 7 is 49. 49 minus 35 minus 6 equals to what? 8. Okay? Talk to me. Now you have to find the equation. What is the formula? Y minus y naught. This is y naught equals to m. It is m. X minus x naught. So you will get an equation. That is your answer. For normal, y minus 0, it will be is opposite minus 8. Talk to me, who has not got? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes.
so you are so
Yes, sir.
silent. I am going to do another math. Suppose it is given 12:2. A train moves through a distance. Distance means what? S equals to, right? 3t plus 1 by 8 t square, it is given. Okay, distance is given. So you find ds by dt. Please do it. What is the result? 3, 1 by 8 into 2t, 3 plus t by 4, right? Can you please let me know? Can you please let me know what is meant by this in physics you read?
Velocity.
Velocity.
You are absolutely right. Now velocity at t seconds equals to 3 plus t by 4. T second as it is given t. What will be the base velocity after 5 minutes? Who can tell me? After 5 minutes means what? 5 minutes means what? 5 minutes means 300 second, right? Now you put the value 3 plus 300 by 4 equals to what? 78. Is it meter per second? Talk to me. It is 75.